What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Browt from Pokemon Winds and Waves. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the mouth. We're going to start with a point in the center. And I want to bend this out and then down toward the left. Go up to the top, go out, and then bend that down towards the right. Now let's connect the ends with a curve. We're going to come down and then back up. And then along the bottom we're going to add a curve from left to right for the tongue. Let's trace the bottom of the mouth. From this corner, step over, follow that curve going all the way across and then up towards the right side. And then we'll work our way up across the beak. So starting on the left, we're going to bend this up and then in. But I want to leave a gap in between these two lines. Go up from the right. Now I want to add those two leaves going across the head. So in between these two lines, we're going to step up, start with another point. Let's bend this up, across, and then down toward the left. And then do the exact same thing on the right. Now I want to bend this leaf coming down and then back in towards the beak. So we're going to start back on the left. Coming down and then bend that in. Now in the center of the leaf we're going to add a fold. So right here we're going to bend this up and then out. Now along the side, we're going to draw two ovals for the eyes tucked in underneath the leaf. So let's start on the left side, right here, draw an oval coming all the way down toward the bottom, and then tuck that up underneath. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Coming down towards the same height, go around, and then up. Now along the inside of each eye, we're going to draw a small circle for the pupils. Line it up on the right side. Let's draw a small circle in the center. And then we'll fill the outside of the pupils in black. Now with the face complete, let's draw the top of the head. Starting over on the left side, we're going to bend this up and then in. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Continue on the right side, going out and then down. Now I want to continue this curve going around the side of the head, around the eyes, and then in towards the neck. So continue underneath the leaf, bend this out, round this out, and just pull that in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Right here, going around the eye, bend this down, and then in. Now we're going to go back up to the top and add those feathers. Let's start on the left side, step over, curve this out, and then in towards the middle. Bend this around and then down to right about there. Let's add a smaller one. I'm going to step up, just going to layer this in behind. Goes down and then in toward the head. And we'll add one tiny one on the end. Now that we complete the head, let's move down and draw on the wings. We're going to start underneath the head on the left side. We're going to bend the wing going out, come around and then in towards the bottom. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right. We're just going to line this up, hook this around and then in. Let's round out the wing and then bend that up. Now I'm going to add another layer. I'm going to step down, this in and then up. Let's move to the center of the body. We're going to add a curve like a half circle from left to right, coming down and then up. Now I'm going to add another curve. We're going to step down from the left, then it's down and then up, aiming towards the wing. And we'll tuck the body in underneath. On the left side, let's curve this down, across, and then up. Let's fold the body in behind. So we're going to step down, then it's around, and then up underneath the wing. And now we want to tuck the legs in underneath the body. So we're going to leave a large gap in the center, go to the left side, draw a straight angled line coming down and then out, and then do the same thing on the right. And we'll draw on that first toe. On the left, then it's in and then down. Let's bend this out and then up. Let's point the toe going out from here, then it's down and then out towards the tip. Then it's up and then in. Now layer one more toe in behind, so we step over, bend this out and up. Bring this in and then down towards the ankle. And we'll angle that up underneath the body. Now the last thing to do is just separate the toes with a curve. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Browt from Pokemon Winds and Waves. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.